In today's video, I'm going to show you some essential keyboard shortcuts in Todoist that will seriously speed up the way you manage your tasks. Once these become muscle memory, you'll fly through your day without ever reaching for your mouse. And it honestly feels fantastic. Let's start with the most important one of all. To add a task from anywhere in the app, you simply press the letter Q, which stands for Quick Add. A task box pops open instantly, ready for you to type. This one shortcut alone will save you a huge amount of time, because capturing a thought becomes effortless. Next, let's talk about getting around. Todoist uses what are called G shortcuts for navigation, where G stands for Go. If you press G and then H, you jump straight to your home view. Press G and then I, and you land in your inbox. These let you hop between your most important views in a heartbeat. Now here's a really handy one. To open your settings at any moment, you press O and then S. Watch as the settings window opens right up, no clicking through menus at all. It's a lovely, fast way to tweak your preferences whenever you need to, and if you ever forget a shortcut, don't worry. Todoist has a built-in cheat sheet. Just press the question mark key, and a full list of every shortcut appears on screen, so you can always remind yourself what's available. The real magic happens when you string these together. Press Q to add, type your task, hit enter, then navigate away, all without touching your mouse once. Start with just 2 or 3 of these, practice them for a few days, and they'll quickly become second nature. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.